Ever wondered how to reclaim that firm, flat stomach after the miracle of childbirth? It's a common concern, and we're here to help. Here's a rundown of 5 simple yet effective exercises to help tone your tummy and regain your confidence. First on the list is the pelvic tilt. Get comfortable on your back with your knees bent. Place a pillow under your hips and another between your thighs. Ground your feet and let your arms rest by your sides. Take a deep breath in, then exhale slowly while contracting your abdomen. Squeeze your glutes and hold this pose for 5 seconds before releasing. Repeat this 10 times. If you've given birth naturally, you can start this exercise after a week, but if you've had a cesarean section, it's best to wait about 8 weeks. Next, we have the pelvic bridge. This might be a familiar exercise to some. Lie on your back with your feet hip-width apart and your knees bent. Draw in a breath, then exhale and pull your abdomen up and toward your spine. Gently lift your hips off the floor, hold for 2 seconds, then return to the starting position. Repeat this up to 10 times. The third exercise is heel slides. Start off in the same position as the pelvic bridge. Contract your abdomen and press the heel of your left foot into the ground. Keep your pelvis still. Inhale, exhale, then pull your left heel away from your body using your deep abdominal muscles. Switch legs and repeat 5 to 10 times on each side. Next is the modified 100. A Pilates exercise. Lie on your back with your feet hip-width apart and your arms at your sides. Inhale deeply and contract your stomach muscles. Slowly lift your head and neck off the ground, raising your arms slightly. Keep your stomach muscles tensed for 2 seconds, then inhale, and slowly return to the ground while exhaling. Lastly, we have the flat belly fly. Lie on your back with your feet hip-width apart. Lift and bend your legs one at a time, positioning your calves at a 90-degree angle. Place one hand on your stomach and the other by your side. Inhale and contract your stomach muscles. In this position, spread your legs wide, then slowly close them, all the while keeping your abdominal muscles tensed. Repeat this 10 times. In summary, post-pregnancy body changes can be challenging, but with patience, a healthy diet, and the right exercises, you can regain your pre-baby body. These exercises are designed to target your abdominal muscles, helping you regain strength and confidence. Remember, everyone's body is different and progress may vary, but with consistency, you'll see improvements. So, why not start today? Your journey to a fitter, healthier you begins now.